Hello, Mark Minders, Sales Manager for LabConco, and I'm here today to show you how you can install one of our larger clear chambers onto the smaller freeze-dry systems that we have. This would be the 1 liter or the 2.5 liter sizes. You won't find this option shown in the catalog, but it can be done, it is available. So we'll just show you how to do that quickly. Once you have your freeze dryer set up, what you're going to do is install the collector lid as normal. So this is the collector lid that would come with the freeze dry system itself. You'll install that as instructed in the manual. Then you're going to take the lower lid from the chamber this would be the large size chamber. This could be the chamber with valves or the clear chamber. And you're going to place that directly on top of this with the ridge facing upward. And you'll see that these two holes here do not line up. This hole is slightly off center so that it works with some of our larger equipment. So when we place this on here, these holes will not quite line up, but that's okay as long as we have some overlap. The real key is to ensure that this gasket here is sealing against the bottom of this lid, just like that. Once you've done that, it's quite simple. You just place the outer ring of the chamber onto the gasket. You would place your sample trays inside. I don't have those here today just for simplicity. But then you place the lid on top, and there you have it.